Hey everyone, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading real estate brokerage firm, and today in this exclusive video, we'll give you the interior view of Cleo County Clubhouse, which is located in Sector 121, Noida. So Cleo County is a residential development that offers premium apartments for the residents. So friends, we are standing outside the Cleo County Clubhouse, and this is the exterior view of Clubhouse. So now this we are giving you the interior view of club restaurant. As you can see, it is beautifully designed with proper lighting and laminated wooden fitting and laminated wooden flooring. This is the salon area. With designer entrance lobby, and this is the view of the spa with jacuzzi. So friends, here you can see the view of jacuzzi. So this is the entire view of the spa. So friends, this is the spa area with jacuzzi. That gives you a mesmerizing feeling of living in a premium project. So now this is the view of the swimming pool, that is 5-level cascading swimming pool. As you can see, it's beautifully designed. The swimming pool is having 5 levels of cascade. So this is the entire view of the swimming pool, aesthetically beautifully designed. For a premium living. And this is the view of heated swimming pool. And now we are moving towards the party hall. So this is the view of the party hall. So friends, in this exclusive video, we are giving you the interior view of the clubhouse, the various amenities offered by Cleo County Premium Project, which is located in Sector 121 Noida. Now this is the view of open lawn. Now we are moving towards the gymnasium. And this is the gym area in the clubhouse. For health and fitness care of the residents. As you can see, the interior of this clubhouse is so beautiful. Now this is a 24-seater movie theater in the clubhouse. Here you can see a wide screen. With blingy roof. That gives you a mesmerizing feeling of watching a movie. So next we have the yoga and dance room. So this is a separate area for yoga activities and dance. As here you can see the laminated wooden flooring. Now this is the view of open park from clubhouse. And here you can see the various towers of Cleo County project. So this is a view of the beautiful society of this premium project. Now this is the view of guest room area, specially designed for the guests. With fantastic interior work and laminated wooden flooring. And now we are moving towards a separate guest room area. So this is the interior view of rest room. As you can see, it's too spacious and beautifully designed. So friends, in this exclusive video of Cleo County Clubhouse, we have given you the various amenities offered in this premium project. So hope you like this video. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for booking, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.